Today we're going to be showing you around this 2018 Acapulco Blue Volkswagen Caravelle T6. This is the 150 horsepower DSG version, executive model with an absolutely huge amount of spec on it. So I'll take you through all the extras, show you the condition of it. As you can see, it's got the expensive LED light upgrade pack, £1,750 option. This one has the full black optic pack as well, with gloss black grills all round, gloss black wheels, badging and other detailing. See, it's got our edition style front spoiler there, factory front and rear park sensors, dent free down the sides. This one has brand new 20-inch gloss black Velar wheels with brand new tyres and 30mm genuine Volkswagen lowering springs. Got the satin black sidebars. Further gloss black detailing to the indicator surround and also to the wing mirror surrounds too. It's got privacy tints to the sides and also roof rails. Moving inside the vehicle, we've got the standard Caravelle layout, 7 seats, captain seats up front, leather and Alcantara finish, full Caravelle comfort dashboard. Amongst the many options this one's got, you've got the factory front and rear sensors, as I mentioned before. Standard fit options are heated seats, 3-zone climate control. This one has got the Discover Media Satellite Navigation Plus with voice control and App Connect, which allows you to use Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Fully electric sliding doors on both sides. Triple bench seat that turns into a bed at the back. You've got your removable table in the middle and the 2 captain's chairs which can face either front or backwards. This one, having been only a Volkswagen demonstrator vehicle before, has the additional benefit of still having the floor protectors on the floor, so the carpet is like brand new underneath that. As with all Caravelles with the 3-zone climate system, we have the digital roof panel so that the rear occupants can set their own temperature. No marks or chips or anything to point out down the side there. There'll be the odd tiny stone chip on the front there as you get once you've done a few thousand miles. Nothing that stands out at all. Gloss black theme continues on the rear with our badging, the VW badge and the Caravelle badge all gloss black. We also have a carbon fibre effect rear bumper protector just to save any nasty scrapes when putting items into the boot. Again, totally dent free down that side. And if we step back, give you a side profile of the vehicle. Looks superb there in the Acapulco Blue with the additional styling features. Step inside the vehicle on the driver's side. Another added option, power folding wing mirrors. It does also have the adaptive cruise facility. So when you have a vehicle in front of you and cruise control engaged, it will speed up or slow down according to the vehicle in front. Mileage today, 8,031 miles. And this being a 2018 model has full warranty and Volkswagen assistance until 2021. That's it, a very highly specified 150 horsepower Caravelle Executive. Finance and part exchange facilities are available. Please give us a call to discuss if you're interested. Thank you for looking.